Today, I'm going to talk about how you can help your child develop emotional intelligence. Emotional intelligence is the ability to identify, understand, and manage our own emotions, as well as recognize and respond to the emotions of others. Emotional intelligence is a critical skill for success in life, and it's something that can be nurtured from a young age. Hey, it's Morgan, and welcome to the Passable Parent channel. I've been a pediatric nurse for the past decade, specializing in early childhood development, and I'm also a mom to 2 wonderful children. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn notifications on so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for your support. Diving right into it. The first step in helping your child develop emotional intelligence is to create a safe and supportive environment where your child feels comfortable in expressing their emotions. Encourage your child to talk about their feelings and validate their emotions by acknowledging and reflecting on what they are saying. For example, if your child says they are feeling sad, you can say, "I see that you're feeling sad. Do you want to talk about it?" Another important strategy is to model healthy emotional expression yourself. Children learn by example, and they are sponges who absorb everything. So show your child how to express their emotions in a healthy and constructive way. This means avoiding behaviors like yelling or throwing things when you're upset, and instead trying to model behaviors like taking deep breaths, talking about your feelings, or engaging in physical activity to release that stress. And I know how hard it can be. I'm a parent myself, so this is one that I even have to work on sometimes. So nobody's perfect. It's not about being perfect. It's just about trying your best and showing up every day. So these are just some tips you can try and implement to just get through those moments that are more frustrating and difficult when it comes to parenting. Another important thing is to teach your child to identify and label their emotions. This is also a critical step in developing that emotional intelligence. Start by introducing basic emotions like happy, sad, angry, and scared, and then gradually introduce more complicated emotions like frustrated, disappointed, or anxious. Help your child understand what each emotion feels like and what situations might trigger that emotion. Empathy is also an important component of emotional intelligence. Encourage your child to put themselves in other people's shoes and think about how they might be feeling. You can do this by asking your child questions like, "How do you think your friend feels when you share your toys with them?" Or, "What can we do to make your sister or brother feel better?" Finally, it's really important to help your child develop social skills by providing opportunities for them to interact with other children. This can be through play dates, joining clubs or sports teams, or participating in community activities. Encourage your child to communicate effectively, practice active listening, and resolve conflicts in a constructive way. Even just going to a local playground is a great way to practice this and to practice those social skills. So there you have it, some strategies for helping your child develop emotional intelligence. Remember, emotional intelligence is a critical skill for success in life, and it's something that can be nurtured from a young age. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content on early childhood development and giving your baby the best start possible. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.